I'm Simon Rogan. I'm the chef proprietor of the Umbel restaurant group, and I'm sat in my flagship restaurant, LEnclume. What I will say is when we first opened the doors and it was just John and Leo in the kitchen and Stephen and Jamie out front, little did I know how big and how huge the group would grow and how many people now work for me, which is quite scary. Yeah, it's been a long, windy road. We've gone through many trials and tribulations, seen a lot of crisis. It's not always been moonlight and roses, but through the teams I've had through the years, we've achieved a great deal. I'm really thankful for what LEnclume's given me. I think LEnclume is pretty much where I wanted it to be. I have to say, when we first opened the doors, I always had the ambition of 5 AA rosettes, 10 out of 10 in the Good Food Guide, and 3 Michelin stars. We've achieved that now, so I can hang up my apron and with the knowledge that I've achieved everything I wanted to. But no, I mean, the main thing is the business. It's nice to achieve accolades, but what I really wanted was to sort of come to the end of my career and know that I'd made a difference. You know, done something a little bit different. You know, people to sort of, oh yeah, I remember Simon Rogan. Yeah, he had a bit of a lasting effect on that industry. Yes, so obviously we're in the flagship LEnclume, 20 years old, and in those 20 years we've opened 2 more restaurants in the Lake District. So that would be Rogan & Company and Henrock. We've also got 16 letting rooms in Cartmel, a retail shop, a very extensive farm which has grown out of all proportion over the years, and has always been a never-ending pit of throwing money down it, but we're getting to where we want to be now. But more pleasingly, we've got a new home delivery and retail wing, which is doing very, very well. It's blossoming nicely, and that goes all over the UK. And then don't forget, we have the restaurant in London, Owlis, and then 3 restaurants in Hong Kong, a Roganic and another Owlis, and a Baker and Bottoman. So that's where we stand at the moment. We've been a favourite to get 3 stars ever since we had 2. You know, I know the reasons why we haven't done that, you know, and you have to be respectful of where you are and what it takes. I wasn't ready, obviously, and the standards weren't good enough. But it's every chef's ambition. Of course it is. You know, everyone dreams about achieving that ultimate status, and it was a dream come true for me, and something that, you know, I'll cherish for the rest of my life. We strive to make things better every single day. The staff demand that we drive things forward every single day. So there are improvements I want to make to LEnclume, but there's some amazing things going on in the other restaurants as well. So I try to spread my love and the company's money wherever we can. But you know, I would love to still see LEnclume improving and being that beacon of 3-star quality for the next 20 years. I would say definitely be patient. You know, choose your career carefully. I mean, there's so much information out there these days on social or, you know, on the internet. Find the place you want to, you know, choose the place you want to work very carefully. Go and experience it. See if you like them as much as they like you. But yeah, just be patient, keep your head down, and take everything in, because if you do that and you progress well, there is no greater industry in the world.